तेलंगाना के न्यूज़ में अब तमाम के खैर मुकदमे बढ़ते हैं। खबर की जानिब JCI की जानिब से अफराद में तकसीम किए गए सेविंग मशीन्स और तरकारी की बंदियाँ। बताया गया कि JCI नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट राकेश शर्मा की मौजूदगी में आज एलबी नगर इलाके में आज सेविंग मशीन्स गरीब ख़वातीन में दी गई, जबकि रोज़गार के लिए 5 वेजिटेबल कार्ड्स दिए जाने के इत्तला से वाकिफ़ करवाया गया। इस मौके पर JCI के कौमी सदर GFS राकेश शर्मा भी मौजूद थे। अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरी कर लें। आलमी मुल्की रियासती मकामी खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए आपका अपना चैनल तेलंगाना डेक्कन न्यूज़।
Very good evening to the press and media of Hyderabad. I am JFS Advocate Rakesh Sharma, the National President of JCI India. Junior Chamber International is an organization which creates leaders for a changing world. This organization has started in United States of America in before 108 years, and in India this was started in 1949, and we are celebrating the 75th anniversary, the Diamond Jubilee of the existence of JCI fraternity in India. And JCI is an organization which works for sustainability with the collaboration of United Nations. So the main impact of the JCI's activities across the country is the sustainable development and sustainable projects. I have been traveling all over India, finding out the sustainable projects the JCI people doing, meeting the JCI members, interacting with the youngsters of our country in the universities, in the campuses, in the colleges, and the other prestigious institutions across the country. I am so happy to be here in the program of JCI Hyderabad Royals Junior JC Wing under the leadership of Netra, the Junior JC Chairperson, and under the leadership of the Zone President of Zone 12, Govind Kankani. The JCA activities in Zone 12 is continuously creating history. 1,200 plus local organizations across the country, they work for finding out the unresolved issues among their society and their communities, and they come across the solutions. What are the solutions? They will do the survey, they will do a data analysis and find out the solution, the sustainable solution forever. And these organizations will be finding out the solution and implementing the solution through the projects all over India. So the 1,201 year, when JCA year is completed, 1,200 plus villages will be finding out 1,200 plus solutions for their problems. So that is the impact of this organization's activities. And also this organization is an organization which gives leadership opportunities by doing activities, doing projects by themselves. The youngsters will be transformed to future leaders. So I am so happy to be here in Hyderabad and have your presence, all the press and media people. So I thank you all for the support we have been extending to JCA fraternity, and through your channel, through your newspapers, and through your media, I request all youngsters of Hyderabad to come forward and join JCI and be transformed to be the future leaders and future stakeholders of our country. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai JCI.
Hello to all the Hyderabadians out there. I am Junior JC Netra Dadir, one among you all, being the chairperson of JCI Hyderabad, Junior JC Wing of JCI Hyderabad Royals, doing this event today with the help of Dosapati Ramu sir. నేను మీలాగా నుంచి ఒక నార్మల్ ఇన్సాన్. మళ్ళీ JCI has given the opportunity to come out and help in the littlest way we can. हम एक प्रिविलेज सेक्टर है सोसाइटी के, बट उनका क्या, जिन्होंने अपनों को खोया है, जिन्होंने अपनों को जाने दिया है ड्यूरिंग द COVID-19. But here we are with the help and our support. We are here distributing livelihood to 10 plus families who have lost their near and dear ones. I wholeheartedly thank this Dosapati Ramu sir. We have been doing this since 4 years, and this is our 4th year doing this, and we would be doing this for future also. I hope every one of you out there would get some inspiration and do your little bit, how much ever you can, to help the people out there who are in need. Thank you.
The evil guidance of our JP is under us. So both the
Look sir.
Lost her husband in COVID. Now she is to take care of 3
With the train ka gram?